This is the industrial side. Most industrial businesses are either won or lost in the day-to-day operations. These are conversations with the operators who run these firms, talking about how they run them, what works, and what doesn't. I want to record a quick episode to explain why I started this series. I spend most of my time working in and around businesses like these, and the more time I spend in them, the more clear it's become that most of the real learning comes from execution, not theory. It comes from dealing with things like hiring, working capital, customers, making decisions when there's no clear answer, trying to win a big client, failing, having a competitor steal your employees, having a competitor copy your strategic moves. All of these things require tactical knowledge, and the best way to get that is to understand the tactics of those who've already done it. I was never a great student, but I loved history. Even though I'm not a big war guy, even though I am a U.S. Airman, I really loved learning about the wars and the individual battles. This game is won in the battles. See success or failure through the day-to-day. That's what we're bringing people on to do. It's not going to be high level. It's going to be practical. Questions will not be about how you got started in this industry. It'll be about how you solve a problem in this industry, or which ones our guests have struggled to solve. We're bringing shared knowledge, a network, and a community. I'm hoping to learn so much from this. I hope you do too. Stay tuned.